Are you sick and tired of wearing those same boring lipstick colors over and over again? Are you ready for something fresh and new and vibrant? Are you ready to see some gorgeous lipstick swatches right here, right now? Well, I got your back. So sit back, relax, and check it out. Hey babies, welcome to my channel. It's Kimberly and today I'm coming at you with a beautiful, gorgeous, spectacular video. Wait till you see. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys some lipstick swatches. And you know, I'm a sucker for a good, beautiful lipstick color, so wait till you see. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that I received the 30 shades for the Mercier Rouge Essentiel collection. And baby, they are gorgeous. Let me just tell you guys, the one I'm wearing right now is called Violet. And it's one of the 30 shades. And it's the first and only one I've tried on so far. So this is going to be like a first impression too. About these lipsticks, there's 30 different shades. I'm not going to swatch all 30. I'm not going to torture my lips that way. But I think I might be able to swatch 10. So stay tuned for that. The lipstick have a silky finish and it's of a cream consistency. So it doesn't dry on your lips like a matte lipstick would. It feels really, really like there's nothing there, which is awesome. Yeah, they're $32 each. So it is a little on the pricey side, but if you want a good brand and a good lipstick, you know, and you find that one color or the two colors that work for you, that's priceless. Other than that, it's supposed to last for up to 6 hours. So far, I've worked about 2 hours while prepping this whole setup and everything. But yeah, it still feels fabulous, like nothing's there. So far, so good. I love the color though, guys. I have a mirror in this room. You guys can't see it. It's behind the camera. And I keep glancing there because my lips look good. Okay, guys, enough joking around. Let's get to the swatches. And if you like them, give this video a fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell also so you get notified each time I post a new video. I post a new video every Friday and I love hanging out with you guys. So keep coming back, okay? Now let's go to the swatches. So guys, those were the swatches. I hope you like them. They are absolutely stunningly gorgeous, if you ask me. I hope you guys saw a few colors that you liked. Let me know in the comments below which one you liked. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again next Friday.